Are you interested in coding challenges for beginners? If you are, then follow us here. Here are a list of 4 challenges you might want to try out as a beginner in coding. 1. FizzBuzz. 2. Palindrome checker. 3. Sum of digits. And 4. Factorial calculations. Let's take a quick dive into the details of these challenges. Here's how each of the challenge works out. Challenge 1. FizzBuzz. Print numbers 1 to 100, replacing multiples of 3 with fizz, multiples of 5 with buzz, and both with FizzBuzz. It's great for learning loops and conditionals. Challenge 2. Palindrome checker. Write a function that checks if a word reads the same backward, practicing string manipulation. Challenge 3. Sum of digits. Create a function that calculates the sum of all digits in a number, introducing loops and arithmetic. Challenge 4. Factorial calculation. Use recursion or loops to calculate a number's factorial, a common concept in algorithm design. These challenges will help you build coding confidence. Try them out and share your solutions.
If you did get enlightened and like more tips like these and more in the world of evolutionary technology, then I invite you to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, plus click on the notification bell so you can be alerted each time we bring you lifetime updates.